got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
Hello and welcome back to another genuine episode of UDRP. We are back kicking off in the truck. And service sirens, the ambulance. We're just gonna make our way to the left here. Basically, all we're gonna be weather. Basically, all we're gonna be doing is doing basic roleplay and continue this level series. We'll do a nice route down here and we'll take the highway. I just don't feel like dealing with any of the ambulance or anything. I shouldn't be speeding, but I don't think there's cops around. So, yeah, let's make our way down here. Basically, that's the gist of it. Alrighty. Pretty good. I'm pretty happy. I'm enjoying this series. Please write down in the comments what you want to see. Robberies, stolen police cars, whatever you want to see. Write down in comments and I'll decide one of your comments out. So if not uploading lately, there has been quite an issue with my internet. And there's been bad weather like snows and stuff, so it's like I try to get a video out and then it just takes forever. I try to upload it in like 3 days and it just doesn't come out. Which is honestly surprising. We go this way, head on to the highway. There's the ambulance. Just drive by. Yeah. Let's say we head down to Kingston area. See if there's any activity down there. It looks like there's a lot of people online. Quite a few. A lot of force over, but we'll work with it. Come on. There we go. Make our way through. It was surprisingly the blinkers are working. Last episode my blinkers were mayhem. I believe you can just take this exit, which is honestly surprising. I didn't know it was this short. Yeah. It's just getting annoying, so I'm trying to get by that. I don't know, I just enjoy the speed, so I guess. Particularly. So this is we did a truck episode. Today we are cruising in this type of truck. I'll try to just enjoy it. Get this board out. So it's good. Question is, what do we want to do? I'm just trying to see if we can find something. So I'm just gonna pull right here. It's like we've only been in the game for a good 5 minutes and there's nothing going on. I want to think. There's gotta be a thing though. There's something can happen. But let's just keep on heading. There's something going on in Westover. It looks like. So I think I'm gonna head to Westover and see what's going on. I feel bad for my truck, and my truck's like, he has to deal with all this freaking trying to cruise. I maxed out at 105-ish. Yeah. And there's a fire, but oh well. We just gotta do what we gotta do. This is, I believe, fire police. So there is police active. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't want to screw up the roleplay. Honestly, I'm gonna let's see a cop active. So far, I haven't. Yeah, so if I see a cop active, I'm gonna deal with it. Which would be wonderful. Alright, what I want to do is actually get a gun, because I think, like how episode 2 is going to get a gun and do some sort of criminal thing. I have it in my car. I'm not sure what the cop is. But I feel like after a while, all the cops did, throwing me in jail, we need to do it. Hero sign anyways. Which usually means cop present. This is fire police. So I think this is the cop right here. This is with an A though. So that's just the fire police. We don't want that. You can't just do a fire department. I honestly don't want to do that. I gave you plenty of room. I gave you plenty of room to pass and you didn't pass. I'm trying to... Honestly... Let's just take shots of the fire station. Yeah, right there. Before we do, we head down this road. I want us to shoot the fire station. Since a fire police president doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna hurry up this. I think I need to attack him. There we go. I don't know if that was good or not. I don't think I actually killed him. I just put some good shots in. 2 cops had him. Come around here and head to the Alright, guess you got arrested, boys.